just in time for summer. 3 easy vintage dessert recipes that would be perfect for any summer get-together. First up, a delicious coffee cake bursting with blueberries. Ready to turn your blueberries into something special? This blueberry cake recipe comes from a cookbook created by a group of friends in Los Alamos, New Mexico, dating back to the 1960s or 70s. The recipe is for Bublanina, a traditional Czechoslovakian sponge cake that typically features blueberries or cherries, though I think it would be a great base for any summer fruit. The cake uses simple pantry ingredients and comes together very easily. The streusel topping was optional, so I tested half with and half without. The streusel version went hands down. The sweet buttery topping is really delicious paired with the berries. The result is a moist, light cake bursting with blueberries that's perfect for breakfast, brunch, or honestly anytime you want something delicious. Next, we have a strawberry shortcake that's perfect for a crowd. I found this recipe for strawberry long cake in my Fancy Lady recipe box, dating back to the 1940s. This version is made in a sheet cake pan, so it's perfect for a crowd and easier to carry to a picnic or a barbecue than a traditional shortcake. I ended up adding more butter to the batter and swapped the milk for half and half to create a more tender shortcake base. Macerating the berries and a bit of sugar creates a luscious strawberry syrup that sinks into the cake as it's cooking. The sweet and buttery streusel topping is a unique twist and really makes the cake something special. There's no real assembly required for this one. You just slice it up and top with a lot of whipped cream. The shortcake is very tender and the strawberries really shine in this one. Our last dessert features summer plums and a luscious syrup topped with a buttery streusel. If you're one of those people who hates cooked fruit, look away because we're making a plum crumble. It's another recipe from one of my favorite dessert cookbooks from the 1960s. This is full of juicy sweet plums, which are tossed in brown sugar and covered in streusel. And if that weren't enough, you pour butter all over it before you pop it into the oven. The plums and butter combine to make a lush syrup, and the streusel crisps up to add a bit of texture. Topped with whipped cream or ice cream, this is a delicious way to honor the mighty plum before summer's end. The recipes are in the description below and also on our website. Follow along for more vintage recipes like these.